Hello and welcome to this tutorial dedicated to updating your SESAR service. To ensure that SESAR works properly, it's important to check that automatic updates are activated and not blocked. How do I check that automatic updates are enabled? Access the Secure Exchanges online portal and log into your account. Go to the Options tab, then to the Manage Business section. Check the status of automatic updates. Make sure the Auto Update Activated box is checked. Check the date and time of the last update to confirm that the service is up to date. What to do if updates are blocked? If updates don't seem to work properly, this may be due to an antivirus blocking Secure Exchanges updates. In this case, contact our support team, and we'll provide you with the procedure for resolving the problem and enabling automatic updates. This simple check ensures that SESAR always remains up to date and fully functional. It couldn't be simpler. Secure Exchanges is cybersecurity made easy for everyone. Check out our other videos to learn more.